Career and technical education opens the doors to real skills and real careers. At Forsyth Tech, our CTE programs prepare students of all ages for today's high-demand workforce through hands-on, career-focused learning. From automotive and aviation to business and IT, welding, and much more, students gain the technical skills employers are looking for right now. CTE programs offer direct pathways to in-demand careers with options to earn certificates, diplomas, or associate degrees, often in less time and at a lower cost. These pathways lead to jobs with higher wages, strong career stability, and increased lifetime earning potential. Whether you're starting out, changing careers, or leveling up your skills, CTE at Forsyth Tech helps you turn learning into opportunity. Forsyth Tech CTE, it's education that works.